She'd done 4 years of racing since we'd built it fresh. One major drama we had with it was a bare chassis, so unpainted, and it was a lot of work to maintain. We'd come home from a race meet, we needed to work, but we'd have to spend time cleaning and CRCing so the chassis didn't rust. So that was our major thing, to prep it up and paint it. The other thing was we had big plans to go do Fink. Obviously that fell over, but we need to go through the whole car. So all the wheel bearings, we replaced all the axles, CVs, boots, wheel bearings, heims, bolts, anything that was done a lot of work or looked suspect, we replaced. I guess with off-road it's a constant evolution. You always want to modify things, move them, fix them, improve them, and that was basically what we've been doing with this chassis. We're always trying to improve it, brace it up. As it goes faster, we find the next weak link and we improve that. As I guess it's part of the game. We're just fixing any cracks, any damage, and improving it. No, we added a fair few extra mounts, like they're called like a Zeus tab, I guess, to hold. We modified the rear light bar so that we could carry the blue light, which was coming into use this year. So we remade the light bar to accommodate those lights, and we had to add tabs. We also put a radiator shield. The radiator was getting pummeled with rocks from bigger cars. So to protect the radiator, we put a few shields in there to make all that a bit more reliable, I guess. Well, we have obviously Aaron, my younger brother, and my dad, Wayne. Having them around is, well, it's great as long as they bring some beers from time to time. But the endless help is, we couldn't do it without them. Yeah, having them around to move the chassis about, I guess when it's on the ground, it's not super heavy, but it's awkward. To have them there to flip things over so we can paint underneath, we can prep mounts underneath, and Aaron's always there to hold a tab, so when we're welding a tab in or whatever, he's there doing what we need to do. Dad's always there doing the finesse parts. He drives us insane with his time management, but he really pulls us together with his little precision. Aaron's killer at CVs, man. Like, Aaron is the man. So if anyone's got a younger brother, just get him to do CVs. So obviously with a ground up rebuild, we've got to wash a lot of parts, clean off all the old grease. With off-road, it really is all about prep and making components last. You got to have fresh grease, you got to clean out the old stuff. Aaron always puts his hand up. He's ready to jump in there and get it done, and he does a cracker job. It's really where he makes it shine, so to speak. Is that going to work? Yeah, trying to get the engine in was a bit of a push. Sometimes the spline doesn't line up on the gearbox to the clutch to the spigot, so we had a bit of a drama lining that up. We didn't have a clutch aligning tool that matched the gearbox spline, so we had to line it by eye. Obviously we didn't get it quite right, but we got it in there and it works and it ran.